Yeah. So, um, all right. So yes, thank you so much for putting those links up. Love Witch. So good. Thank you. Victoria has a question. Good evening, Madam Pamita and Love Witch. Thank you for the amazing products I've recently received by mail from your store. I'd like to know about the purpose of Bountiful Blessings Oil. Oh, that's a great oil, Bountiful Blessings Oil. So, Bountiful Blessings Oil is used for blessings. There's some oils that we sell that are very specific, right? New romance oil, for example, is specific to inviting a new romance into your life. But we also have oils that are like more general. So, but they're great and they're all kind of all purpose oils for bringing in stuff or for clearing out stuff, right? Or protecting stuff. These are more generalized oils. So, when you look at Bountiful Blessings Oil, it is for bringing blessings into your life. What are your blessings? Good health, happiness, good luck, prosperity, good friendships and relationships, and so on and so forth. So, this oil can be used for any blessing. When I do the monthly group spell service, so I have a monthly group spell service that I do at the beginning of the month, except for this month because I was out of town, and so we did it around the full moon. But normally that is done at the beginning of the month to be a blessing for you for the entire month. Now you can purchase and get this monthly blessing, easy to do. You can look for monthly group spell service. And you can choose what each month, what you can do. You can subscribe to it. I think we can have a subscription for it too. No, we have it as a coven bonus. When you're at the VIP witch or the supreme witch level, you get this as your coven bonus. So this is a really good bonus. It's a $75 spell you get every month as part of your coven membership. So, and now it's 30% off. That's a really good deal. So, with this group spell service, when I do the master candle, I do individual candles for everybody in the group spell, but I have a master candle. I always dress the master candle in Bountiful Blessings oil. Why? Because it covers everything. If your blessing is protection, if your blessing is love, if your spell is for money or for success or for clearing out something unwanted, a blessing spell will do that, like a kind of all purpose positive things coming into your life. So that master candle is for blessings, and then everybody has their own particular blessing that they're activating in that group spell. So that's what Bountiful Blessings Oil is, to bring blessings into your life, to bring good things into your life. So you get to decide what that is. And you could wear it every day. You could put it on a candle. If you don't have any other oil, Bountiful Blessings will work as a generic kind of oil. But you could also put that on yourself to bring good things into your life, right? To activate these good things. And you can put it in any direction that you want it to go. So it's so good. It's really one of those great oils, all purpose oils. So good.